Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another transformation makeup video. So today I'll be showing you how we transform this baby girl to this Barbie. So watch, relax and have fun. So there's something about this video, it's not too much voiceover, so we decided to give it a natural sound, no song on YouTube video for now, because we don't even know which is copyright and which is free anymore. Because why should I use a song of 5 years ago which was free and today YouTube somebody monetized that song and I have to pay. It has to be monetized for me too. So there should be a way YouTube regulate this thing. If you make your song free today and I use it today, it's free, right? It should be free. So if you decide to monetize it the next day, the monetization should start counting for those who started using it that day, not me that have used it on the previous days. So I don't know how they do this thing, but it's affecting my videos. So I decided to stop using sound for now until I figure myself out. So enjoy the natural sound. It's not like it's bad, but I'm sure you like it.
Baby, I just remembered, where's the house key?
Did you carry us?
I just remembered. Check that my small brown bag.
You see, say those guys they try. They're almost having one shop now.
Yes. They're very kind.
But how that day you meet up your job then? That day that I bring that plan. That I said, who is that person that tagged me? And I'm shake and so I said, so your birthday is today, and I was at home yesterday. Even if
It's not recording.
see that guy said that has a studio close one. It's not 1,000 naira soft copy. And I see this about this one stinginess. I said that I did not go to the market. I was working at home yesterday. Like now he's eating thank you. He like your person like still thank you. Customers now.
There are some of their things that is not.
Like their lip palette, I don't like it. It's too thick.
That their new.
I don't so much patronize them like that, but now much edgeless.
See the place is mad. Forget it. Picture meaningless.
You see their new rejuvenating spray.
No, I can't put.
It's nice. I bought it. I went to that gift. The gift that says 10K. So I came to Adiu. I think he gave me not Adiu, woman.
She just told me now that it's going to be different than me, but now people that don't know much money, you get more views. But I'm not seeing your makeup today, right?
Not now.
My own says come and do 3:30 PM. Say no. So you like your leg like that, so. It's just a vibe.
That way, that way. Mad. You look stupid.
Okay.
I like this big light too, I swear.
Just locate
See, 3 years ago.
17 rubs powder.
Okay. BJ said.
Man, I'm not going to wear it.
I didn't hear.
Okay,